Hello there, hope you are doing good and welcome to the channel. जैसा कि आपने थंबनेल में पढ़ लिया होगा, आज का ये वीडियो इज़ अबाउट हाउ वी कैन ट्रांसफॉर्म आवर फियर्स इनटू फ्रीडम, विच इज़ समथिंग जो बहुत ज़्यादा अपीलिंग लगता है सुनने में. जब आप सुनते हो इट्स लाइक आई विल बी फ्री फ्रॉम माई फियर. इसलिए फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, आई वुड लाइक टू क्लैरिफाई कि इस वीडियो का मेन पर्पज़ ये नहीं है दैट यू completely become fearless and you never feel your emotions, because I feel true freedom is when you are able to feel everything that you are feeling and you know how to handle it, what it is trying to tell you, and actual में आप वो emotion feel क्यों कर रहे हो. Those emotions जिनसे हम भागना चाहते हैं, specifically fear, shame, doubt, guilt, they are our true guiding keys जो आपको आपकी real freedom तक लेकर जा सकते हैं. And कैसे, that is what this video is all about. And I really hope by the end you will know exactly what you can do next time जब आप fearful feel करते हो, panic feel करते हो, anxious feel करते हो, बहुत ज़्यादा concerned हो जाते हो. And specifically if you have had life जहाँ पे आपके experiences बहुत challenging रहे हैं, भले ही वो आपका childhood हो या you have faced some very difficult situations in your life and you are carrying those experiences in the form of bad memories या bad feelings. How can you deal with it? Because there is nothing wrong in those emotions. If you feel that way, कुछ भी गलत नहीं है उसमें, but how can you get around it, or better word would be how can you get along with it? Because on one hand where that emotion is not bad, on the other hand there is a better way of living, and that is what my aim with this video is. और काफ़ी टाइम बाद आज मैं वीडियो बना रही हूँ, was on a mini break, and I really hope this video will really help you, क्योंकि I have got much of the fresh perspective about things जो मैं आगे लेके आऊँगी या जो मुझे बोलनी है, क्या होना है क्या नहीं. You know, each one of us is upgrading at the same time, so I was on my upgrade as well, which will continue in the future as well. So I really hope by the end of this video you will know some practical ways with which you can transform those little tiny fears, or maybe big, no matter what their size is or what their intensity is, into that true freedom and your true joy, because that is something that you truly deserve and you have it within your reach. I'm sure this video will surely help you in that. So let's get ahead and get to know the magical points. The very first, most interesting and most powerful point is remembering you were never alone on your life's path. You know, जब भी इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा spiritual perspective भी है, but if you can, you know, give it a thought, अगर आप इसमें इतना believe नहीं करते हो तो you will truly feel the power in it. So just stay with me if you do not believe that much into the non-physical. Give it a try and I'm sure you will not be disappointed. और अगर आप करते हो then this is surely going to help you. So when we are planning our life on the other side, it's like a soul is choosing to come in. We know the challenges that we are going to face. We know the experiences that we will be encountering. और वो इसलिए नहीं होता क्योंकि हम खुद को punish करना चाहते हैं. वो इसलिए होता है because at that level we नो कि इससे हमारी ग्रोथ में क्या इम्पैक्ट आएगा, इससे हमारे खुद के एक्सपीरियंसेस के एक बुफे में क्या एडिशन होगा. लाइक वी एज अ सोल वांट एक्सपीरियंसेस, वी हैव लाइब्रेरीज ऑफ आवर लाइफ रिकॉर्ड्स जहाँ पे वी हैव डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ एक्सपीरियंसेस, बिकॉज उसके थ्रू वी गेट टू एक्सप्लोर आवर सेल्व्स, उसके थ्रू वी गेट टू नो आवर सेल्व्स बेटर. Many a times it's a voluntary choice, many a times it is something that you would really enjoy to do and come here. But when we get here, the emotions get us, the density of the emotions actually get us, क्योंकि हमें उन emotions का real meaning पता नहीं होता है. We believe that fear is true, we believe that shame is true, we believe that guilt is true, and that is why उनसे deal करने में हमें इतनी ज़्यादा problem आती है. When you get to know the essence of those emotions, you will realize कि उनमें खुद में there is so much information and insight for you, what they are truly trying to convey. And when you access that information for yourself, आप अपनी freedom को खुद unlock कर लेते हो, और उसके लिए आपको honestly किसी और की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You can do it for yourself, you can do it by yourself. And उसी के लिए सबसे पहला step है understanding that you are never and you were never alone in your life's path. हम सब angels और guides के बारे में I guess अब के टाइम पे काफ़ी लोग जानते हैं इस बारे में, and that is true to its most practicalist way that I can say, because if because you know, as a soul we do take advice, we do take guidance from what would we be able to handle, what would be fine for us, हम कितना उस चीज़ को झेल पाएंगे. because in our excitement, जैसे एक छोटा बच्चा बहुत सारी चीज़ें करने लगता है, we as a soul can also do that, and that is the time जहाँ पे हमारे जो guides होते हैं, जो हमारे angelic support team होती है non physical side पे, that they come into picture, they guide us कि नहीं इतना you won't be able to handle, and you know, take this much, you are prepared for this. And then when we come in, we know but we tend to forget. But जब जैसे जैसे आप open होते हो अपने खुद के connection की तरफ, you realize it that we always had that support from them and from our own higher self throughout this journey. And how will this help you? ये आगे के points में definitely cover होने वाला है. But for the starters, which are very yummy, when you know that you are never alone in this journey, you have an unconditionally loving, unconditionally supportive team of powerful beings standing by your side at all times, आपका पूरा गेम चेंज हो जाता है. द वे यू हैंडल योर सेल्फ, द वे यू हैंडल द चैलेंजेस, द वे यू सी थिंग्स कंप्लीटली चेंजेस. बिकॉज देन आपका जो एक बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग बर्डन होता है दैट लिफ्ट्स, क्योंकि आपको पता है आपको अकेले ये चीज़ नहीं करनी है. एंड स्पेसिफिकली जब हम हीलिंग के रास्ते पर जाते हैं, बी इट आर ट्रॉमास और बी इट एनीथिंग दैट यू विश टू हील और यू आर ट्राइंग टू हील, इट माइट हैपन कि हम ना एक लूप में फंस सकते हैं वेयर दैट इमोशन कीप्स कमिंग अप. हम अपना प्रोसेस कर रहे हैं एंड दैट इमोशन गोज फॉर अ टाइम, देन इट अगेन कम्स अप, देन वी डू इट अगेन एंड देन इट अगेन कम्स अप, और धीरे धीरे हमें लगता है कि यार दिस प्रोसेस डज नॉट सीम टू वर्क. उस टाइम पे भी इट्स वेरी important and very helpful to remember कि you do not have to figure it out yourself. You can open up and know you have a team and you can have their access. That is the place जहाँ से true healing और freedom की शुरुआत होती है. Because when you open yourself up to a higher perspective, जब आपको पता चलता है that why did your soul choose these experiences, specifically these, क्योंकि as a human जब हम उन experiences को देखते हैं, we are like यार why would my soul choose this kind of family, why would my soul choose this kind of partner, why would my soul choose this kind of situation जो भी आपके सामने है. Now many a times our soul wants us to get out, but हम emotions के loop में फंस के we stay in that situation. So कई बार it's so much about how we can get out of that, जो कि इसके through होगा definitely when you work on your emotions. But if you think कि यार my soul would, if it's choosing such difficult experiences, it would hate me, that is not the point. Many a times soul उस चीज़ को choose करती है growth के लिए, because from that level we know हम इससे easily बाहर आ जाएंगे, how much loved we are, we know the support we have. Then we get here, we forget all of that, और हमें लगता है कि guilt सच है, fear सच है, blame सच है, shame सच है. हम उसे मान के जीने लगते हैं और उन्हीं experiences को बार बार recreate करते हैं. We relive them through our choices, through our decisions. So this video will also help you in breaking those things and actually coming out of it and seeing things for what they are, because till you can see the situation and the message it has for you, it is not gonna go. You wanted it for yourself because you knew इससे मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदा होने वाला है in whatever way you chose to. तो जब तक आप उस फ़ायदे को नहीं समझोगे, आप उस इमोशन के मैसेज को नहीं समझोगे, you won't be able to get out of it. And that is what our next point is all about, which is sitting with the emotions. It is very difficult, but it is very powerful. जिस fear और doubt और guilt और shame और pain से आप भागने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, just take some time out, relax yourself and be in a safe space, a comfortable space पे, and just let those emotions come to you. You do not have to live the story again. You do not have to get into the thoughts and try to solve them. आपको सिर्फ उन emotions को देखना है. Just feel that feeling. Feel it in your body. How does it feel? क्योंकि many a times those emotions, those feelings are actually trying to guide you to some decision, to some action, to some boundary that maybe you have to take or maybe you have to set that you are not able to recognize. और इसीलिए वो emotion बार बार आपके सामने आ रहा है and you are feeling कि यार I have to suppress this, I have to get rid of this, I have to heal this, where many a times and so many of the times our fear is our true guidance trying to tell us something. And each emotion, like all of us, is very unique for all of us. आपका एक particular emotion would have a specific message for you, which might be very different from what someone else's emotion is trying to tell them. So वो आपको कोई और नहीं बता सकता है. You have to sit with it, tune into that feeling wherever you are feeling it in your body. जिस भी body के part में आप उसे feel कर रहे हो, अपने around feel कर रहे हो, in your stomach, around your shoulders, on your neck, on your forehead, on your chest, on your legs, around your thighs, wherever it is, and then ask it, where are you trying to guide me? And then give it time to tell you whatever it has to say. हो सकता है उस दिन आपको कोई जवाब नहीं मिलेगा and you know the feeling fades away. That is also okay. Next time when that situation happens, maybe instantly आपको insight hit होगा कि oh, this person does not understand me in a way I wish them to, and I am trying so hard for them कि ये मुझे इसी तरीके से समझे, and that is why I get triggered. And you know what you have to do maybe in that situation is to really accept them for who they are, not in a way कि you have to sacrifice yourself, but actually you just have to let them be who they are and just be okay with them being who they are, and just express that whatever you wish to through other way, maybe through writing, maybe through talking to your guides, because there have been many times in my life where I really wanted people very close to me to understand me in a particular way which they cannot, क्योंकि उनके अपने पर्सपेक्टिव्स हैं, उनके अपने लाइफ पाथ्स हैं, एंड आई फेल्ट लाइक कि यार मे बी आई एम डूइंग समथिंग रॉन्ग, आई शुड ट्राई अनदर वे. बट इन रियलिटी व्हेन आई एक्चुअली सैट विद माई इमोशन, व्हेन आई एक्चुअली ट्राइड टू नो व्हाई दैट लिटिल गर्ल इन मी इज फीलिंग fearful in doing this, she told me that I don't want to do this, I don't want to tell this to them, I want to keep it to myself because I don't like the way they treat me at that time. And then I have to figure out how can I do this for myself, how can I get the joy that I'm trying to get through that way जो हो नहीं पा रहा है. And for me I find expressing it to myself works, talking to my guardian angel, talking to my guides work. Maybe it will be in your life, you would find a friend who would understand you that way. There are many ways that will come in front of you. बहुत सारे options आपके सामने आएंगे because now you are actually trying to understand and work with the real reason and the real cause. और ये भी हो सकता है that you were very humiliated at some point of your life in front of many people by someone who was in an authority, maybe a teacher or maybe someone who was elder to you, and there were people who were making fun of you or maybe laughing, and that part of you was very fragile and very innocent, and it got scared कि I will never express myself this way, I will never go for public speaking or something like that. When you talk with it and it tells you कि ये experience था and this happened and that scene comes, firstly you will instantly feel a sigh of release कि oh, this was trapped in, this was trying to come out. And then you can allow yourself to ask your guides, what can I do about it if you are not able to get an answer? Because sometimes you will be able to know कि आपको exactly क्या करना है, sometimes you would need their help, and for that you can truly ask them, you truly have. इसलिए मैंने सबसे पहला point यही रखा था that you are not alone, because in times में ना मेरे साथ कई बार हुआ that कुछ चीज़ों को मैं handle कर सकती हूँ, I know exactly what I have to do and how I can make make myself comfortable or feel safe, and that little girl can express herself safely. But many a times I am frustrated about what happened and I cannot understand क्यों हुआ ये. And उस case में this is the third point as well, get a higher perspective. I have to tune in, I have to ask my guides, I have to relax, or maybe I have to just let it all go, take a deep breath, love myself enough कि उसके आगे जब तक मुझे मेरा आंसर नहीं मिल जाता, I am keeping myself in a space जहाँ पे मैं safe हूँ. I am not talking the way that would hurt me. I am not doing things that would again trigger me. I am letting them do their work and letting them bring in the solution and bring in the answer that I am looking for, and surely every single time they instantly let me know कि actual में क्या चीज़ थी, why did that person behave that way, why did it felt so hurtful. Trust me, it's not easy. I know there are many difficult experiences we all go through, but it's really हेल्पफुल एंड फ्रीइंग जब आपको पता चल जाता है कि यार इसमें आपकी कोई गलती नहीं थी. इट वॉज नेवर अबाउट यू, वॉट वॉज एक्चुअली हैपनिंग, वाई डिड यू डू दैट वे, वाई डिड दे डू दैट वे. और एक सेल्फ कंपैशन आप में आ जाता है. अगर आपने गलती की भी है तो क्यों की, वाई डिड यू बिहेव दैट वे, वाई डिड यू वर ट्रिगर, वाई वर यू गेटिंग एंग्री. जब आपको एक insight और एक perspective from that level मिल जाता है ना, that is of your soul, of your guides who know who you truly are, who know what the true situation, what was there in that situation, what it truly was doing, what was truly happening. It really helps you so much in dealing with that emotion, releasing it if you wish to, or maybe getting your freedom back, getting your joy back, getting your peace back. और आगे जाके आपको एक्चुअल में कौन सा पाथ चूज़ करना है, आगे आप कैसे बिहेव करोगे, इट कम्प्लीटली comes to you. आपको समझ में आ जाता है कि यार मुझे ये चीज़ करनी है अब, I'll be behaving this way, or maybe it's not my fault, I don't need to worry about it, I can let them go, do your thing and fine. And you enjoy yourself more, you just live yourself more freely, more happily, more lightly. And ऐसे आपका trust आपकी टीम पे भी बिल्ड होता है, एंड यू बिकम वेरी लेस फेयरफुल ऑफ योर इमोशंस. क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग जो who are very empathetic and are sensitive to their emotions, उनके लिए overwhelming हो जाता है अपने emotions से deal कर पाना, because they really don't know what is happening and what do they need to do. So this really helps you to actually observe your emotions without believing in them and without becoming them, because वहाँ पे फिर आप recreate करने लगते हो story को. But when you get to know the story and when you get to know what that experience was actually about, it really helps a lot to release it, as I said, to release it and to actually take a new step in your life, which actually उस सब से आना था, जो एक result, एक reward आना था kind of, उसका जो real reason था, उसको आप you bring it to yourself and you can just be free. You can allow yourself to experience that freedom, that fruit of that experience, and that is very beautiful, because when you get to know the truth about your life and your experiences, it is so much fun. I cannot even explain, but you can experience it surely for yourself. Now, how can you connect with your guides on a very day-to-day level, and how can you feel their presence? उसके लिए I would recommend two things also for the healing. How can you do it? Through a spiritual with your angels, with the spiritual team you have. I have two books that I would like to recommend. जिसमें से first one is this is by Belinda Womack. ये है Guidance by the 12 Archangels. If you know channeling, if you believe in angels, and if you love colors, this is really going to help you. इसमें she has channeled the processes that she has used on her clients for their healing through the 12 archangels. It is a beautiful book, and the best thing about this book is you don't have to follow any rule book. इसमें जो एक चीज़ जो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी, which is actually the essence of our life as well, is to be playful and connect with your inner divine child, who knows exactly what you need, who knows exactly who has to come to help you, and who knows exactly how you can solve the situation. So it's a fun-loving, really light, a really nice book which has really beautiful processes that you can use. And also there are messages, तो अगर आपको angel cards पसंद नहीं है, if you wish to, you can just randomly open a page and that there will be the message for you of the day, which for me is this today. Randomly opened it, so you can just do it for yourself and read for yourself ki what is, you know, what is it that you need right now. And the other book is this, which is by Diana Cooper. It's The Angel's Inspiration. इसमें बहुत सारी प्यारी स्टोरीज हैं about how people have communicated with their guardian angels and archangels again, and you know, बहुत सारी information है about how you can do it. There are tips, there are meditations, there is पूरा description about each archangel that she has communicated with, that she knows of, and you know, all the hierarchy of the angelic kingdom and how you can communicate with your guardian angel, how you can feel them, how you can take their help, how you can ask them questions. Very simple tips for your daily you know, interaction with your spiritual team. And it is a very fun to read book, very light book, and it will also help you a lot in your journey to connect to your spiritual team. And that is you know, so important in your healing, because as I mentioned, you can get stuck in that फिक्सिंग प्रोसेस. हम कई बार हील करने की जगह खुद को फिक्स करना शुरू कर देते हैं, और जब वो होता है तो हम अपने इमोशंस को समझने की बजाय वी जस्ट वांट टू, यू नो, हैमर देम इनटू प्लेस एंड जस्ट गेट रिड ऑफ देम. तो ऐसा ना हो, उसके लिए यू हैव टू बी ओपन इनफ कि आप अपने गाइड्स के पर्सपेक्टिव को भी इन्वाइट इन कर रहे हो. क्योंकि मैनी अ टाइम्स वेयर आई, यू नो, गेट इनटू द हैबिट ऑफ फिक्सिंग माई इमोशंस, आई एम रिमाइंडेड कि यू आर डूइंग दिस, इट्स जस्ट एन इमोशन, you can simply feel it. Not every single thing you need to fix or get rid of. क्योंकि healing में कई बार ऐसा हो सकता है, we get an impression which is false कि you have to fix every emotion of you and always be on a high state, which is not possible and which was never the plan when we decided to get onto this planet. It was always about experience. We experience ourselves through lows, through highs. What this video is all about is the dominant fears, जो actually एक misbelief है, जो एक misinterpretation है, that is stuck, which does not need to be, and how you can unclog it, how you can let it flow out of you, flow through you, and let your love and light back to yourself, back in your life. Take your decisions in so much more trust and peace, in so much more joy and happiness, and live in a state of peace. Know that your emotions are not there to harm you. You can feel them. They are just guidance, and how you can understand yourself and connect to yourself in so much better way than you do when you try to suppress and kill your emotions away, because that is not how our emotional system works. It is always guiding us to something more, something that is more happier, that is more joyful, that is more blissful for us. And once we tune into ourselves, tune into those emotions, it becomes really, really beautiful and really, really easy to navigate them, to understand them, and to truly be free. Where you are free to experience your highs, your lows, your sorrows, your laughters, without worrying कि आपको कुछ fix करना है, आपको कुछ release करना है, आपको कुछ let go करना है, where it's a natural process. So if you are starting on this process, or if आपके processes पहले वाले work नहीं कर रहे हैं, give any of the things a try. There is no rule, because I personally do not like rules. So ये pointers थे, again, because I can only, you know, suggest. You are the one who has to decide for yourself what is going to work for you and what is not. So I really hope that these points would work in whatever way they can for you, and you will use what resonates the most, जो आपको सबसे easy और light feel होता है अभी. और अगर if you don't want to get into this right now, you are free to take your time, because there are things that we need time to, you know, prepare ourselves to even face and look at. So do that. And one thing that I would surely say you to do is connect with your spiritual team, connect with your guides, connect with your angels, connect with your heart, connect with that divine little child who is very playful and knows all about you, all your joys, all your sorrows, all your stories, because that will be a game changer on your day-to-day life. How you experience things, how you experience people, how you handle difficult situations, how you handle challenges. It completely changes and it becomes so much more fun when you know you have the whole cosmos by your side, when you have your team by your side and you know it and you can feel them and you can connect with them. It is so much more fun that way. So I really hope these tips and points would help you. And there is this last thing that I really want to insert here is be very gentle and kind throughout this process with yourself. There is no perfection required in this. Take your own time, do your own thing. When you can do it, do it. When you cannot do it, leave it. Any which ways, your well-being is really very strong and it will eventually guide you to what you really need to know. So जो भी आपसे resonate करता है, take that, start with that. If you wish to, please do try to read these. Again, I would link these books in the description box because they are really beautiful and they will really help you in connecting back with yourself, with your team, and will really amplify that journey that you are on and make it more smooth and easy for you. I'm sure about that. If you get involved, if you involve your team into this, which they always are, हम उन्हें block कर देते हैं when we just take it all on our own selves. We sweet little humans who don't really know our own power and what power we have beside us. So when you open yourself up, it becomes very easy. They are there always to guide you. Connect with them, love yourself and know you are always protected, supported and guided. और अगर आपको लगता है that right now you need to step back and you are too fearful, don't force yourself to do what you don't feel like doing, because there is always guidance in everything that you feel. You will know with practice कि आपको कौन सा emotion कहाँ guide कर रहा है. It's not something that happens just in one go. It takes time because there are layers to us and layers to our experiences. But when you are calm enough to receive, when you are open enough to look at what's actually going on, तो धीरे धीरे करके ही चीज़ें हमारे सामने आती हैं. So every single time you feel something, give yourself time with that emotion, what it is actually trying to tell you. आपको कुछ करना भी है या नहीं करना है. And have more fun in your daily life. Do things that give you joy. जितनी भी छोटी हो फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Interact with your team. Know they are there. Play games with them. Tell them to show you how they are with you. And just do things that make you feel more of you and more of your joy and more of fun. That in itself will help you a lot in this beautiful journey that we all are on this beautiful planet that we live on. So I really hope this video and the content and the tips that I shared would help you and would guide you towards your own freedom. Again, मेरा intent ये कभी भी नहीं था as I specified कि आप fearless हो जाओगे, because fearless का जो main interpretation जाता है, it's about you will never feel fear, which happens जब आप अपने emotions से ignorant हो जाते हो, which as a sensitive person I feel we cannot do if you are very sensitive to your emotions. And if you are listening to this video, most probably you are very sensitive to your emotions. Honestly, we all are. So if you feel something, give yourself and that feeling enough credit and enough time so that you receive what it has to say. And धीरे धीरे you will realize कि कौन सी आपकी feelings हैं that you can let go of, कौन से में you can face, कौन से में you have to step in, कौन सी actually आपकी guidance है, कौन सी actually सिर्फ it's a past conditioning जिसे आप deal कर चुके हैं and you can just let it go. So just be okay with whatever you are feeling and then do what I share, what resonates with you, and see the magic all of it together brings in your life, which I am sure it will, because when you are ready and when you are open to receive the magic, life surely brings it to you. So I really hope this video helped you, and I really hope you are going to use what resonated with you. Take really good care of yourself, and again, don't take this all very seriously. In a way, don't get fixated on fixing your fear. That is not required. Have more fun, create space for more joy in your life. That is the ultimate purpose, because that is what you came for. और जब आप ये काम करना शुरू कर दो, आपको realize होता है ये कितना सच है. Because when I'm saying this, maybe you would think, haha, Joy, what is she talking about? I'm suffering right now. But when you actually get into the understanding of your emotions, of your situations, you see, and personally I have been there where I was like, no, I don't know, I don't think so, I've come here to be joyful and all of that. So I know that it happens. But once I started understanding myself and my emotions, I really saw the blessings and how I was being protected, how I was being guided, how I always was held in so much love that I feel right now, and it's so beautiful, and I really hope and wish, and I kind of know that eventually you will feel it too. So I really hope this video helped you. If it did, do subscribe to the channel for more such videos, hit that like button and follow what resonated. That's the main thing. Do give what you feel like following, listen to yourself, do give it a try, open yourself up a bit, have more fun and see what happens, because actually it will be much better than you can see right now. I'm sure about that. So take very good care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video, and remember, you are loved always and forever, and you deserve the whole damn world. Take care. See you in the next video.